Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a brand new tutorial on essentially how to build Marines in StarCraft 2. This is an advanced tutorial for people who are advanced. If you need to know more, you may want to check somewhere else because this is only for professionals here. So, um, yeah, first you're going to want to go and I'm going to create a custom lobby here. And I'm gonna look through the little maps here. You can pick any map you want. I'm gonna do battle on the boardwalk. I'm gonna click create lobby. So remember, first thing you want to do is hover your mouse over the custom button up here. Click that. Then click what is it? Melee. Remember melee. Don't forget that. And then select your map. And then hit create lobby. Then you'll have this window. After this, you're going to either add another player or add an AI. In this case, I'm going to add an AI, and I'm going to add a very easy AI. We'll just leave it as random. You can select different types of things. You could do like straight to air, eco focus. Remember this is for advanced people. So if you don't know what this stuff means, this is not the place for you, and you need to get the fuck out because you're not going to be able to handle the next level. You're going to want to go to like some beginner tutorial. All right, so hit start game, which is this. You're going to hover over it and then select the left mouse button, and then it'll start a timer countdown. And we're going to go through this step by step about how to build a Marine. We're going to just build one Marine. Like I said, this is a pretty advanced tutorial. If you're not ready for this, if your body isn't ready for this, if you're getting really stressed out about this, you may want to click off this video because this is intense. And I'm going to be doing this using one hand. Preferably, I do it with like using these hotkeys and other things. So first thing you want to do is left click on your command center, which is this thing. And then right click and rally it out here. Then set it back after you've clicked the Q button, and then you're going to hit this, boom, and left click. Now you got to build a supply depot. Remember, you can do this with hotkeys, but for our purposes, because we are very advanced players, we don't need hotkeys. We're too good for that, okay? So just remember that. I mean, we're good players. We are like the advanced players, and remember, we don't even need to queue up workers. Fuck workers. So now, I used a hotkey there. I shouldn't have done that. We're going to hit the cancel button, and instead we're going to use our mouse because we are very good players. So click the Z, then click the A, the barracks, and then just place it. Usually you want to place it over here because you want to let things come in and out really easily. So like we're playing versus like random. I think that might be Zerg, so Zerg needs to be able to get up and get in your base and get to your workers really easily. So we want to let them do that, right? So yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to wait for this to build. Don't build workers. Remember that. Don't build workers because we are really advanced players. We don't need workers. We only need one worker and we're going to win. Don't worry. So you'll see. So let this finish building. All right. It's going to be done in a second. Any moment. All right. So now we want to select the barracks if you haven't already by left clicking on it. So move your mouse on top and select the left mouse button. Click this one. This is a Marine. Left click. And then let it rip. That's all you need to do. You'll see in a moment we're going to have our first Marine, and that's going to be the end of the tutorial. Make sure that you're always floating large numbers of minerals, and don't spend your minerals. Don't get gas until like 5 minutes. Otherwise, you're not a good player. All right, so we have our first Marine. We're going to take our first Marine in here, and we're going to queue up another Marine. Actually, we're going to do something really advanced, and we're going to get a reactor. Oh, wait, we can't, because we don't have gas. So instead, we're going to build one more Marine, We're gonna remember not to use hotkeys, and intentionally we're just gonna select. We're gonna just move our unit up here. And we're gonna micro this shit, and we're gonna win with one fucking Marine. Watch this. Alright, so we'll build another Marine. Let's queue up one more Marine. Boom. Alright, we're winning. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of the tutorial. So that is how you play StarCraft 2 with one hand and build barracks. And just keep building Marines, one at a time. From one barracks, don't build another barracks. Don't do this. You know, don't do this stuff. Don't build a third base. That stuff these other people are telling you, that's not the right way to play the game. And definitely don't hotkey your stuff. Don't upgrade your command center. Don't assign workers to gas. Don't even get gas. Just use one barracks, one supply depot, and just left click everything. Don't use hotkeys. Okay? Alright, well this is the end of the tutorial. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope that you'll be able to get to GM soon. Maybe tomorrow, now that you've really found out the real skills and tactics to becoming a professional StarCraft 2 player. Look at this. He can't even fight back. Alright, well anyways, you have a fantastic day.